In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset forgotten Discord password. If you've forgotten your Discord password, don't worry. Resetting it is a quick process, and you can regain access to your account in just a few moments by following the password recovery steps. Make sure you have access to the email address or phone number associated with your Discord account, since you'll need it to verify your identity and complete the reset. To begin, open Discord on your computer or mobile device. When the login screen appears, look for the Forgot Your Password option below the sign-in fields and click it to start the password recovery process. On the next screen, you'll be asked to enter the email address or phone number linked to your Discord account. Carefully type in the correct information to ensure Discord can locate your account. Once you've entered your email address or phone number, click the Forgot Your Password button to continue. Discord will then send a password reset message to the email address you provided. Open your email inbox and look for the password reset email from Discord. If you don't see it right away, give it a minute to arrive. You can also check your spam or junk folder, since automated emails can sometimes be filtered there by mistake. After you've found the email, open it and click the Reset Password button. This will take you to Discord's secure password reset page, where you'll be able to create a brand new password for your account. On the password reset page, enter your new password. Choose a password that's strong, unique, and easy for you to remember, while being difficult for others to guess. Using a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters can help make your account more secure. Once you've entered your new password, click the Change Password button to save your changes. Discord will update your account with the new password, and the reset process will be complete. You can now return to the Discord login screen and sign in using your email address or phone number, along with your newly created password. As long as the information is entered correctly, you'll regain access to your account and can continue using Discord as usual. That's all there is to it. Resetting a forgotten Discord password only takes a few simple steps, and following this process ensures you can securely access your account again whenever you forget your login credentials. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,